Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an easy high-end coffee table tray. So what you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants. They are from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need one of these gold frames. You're also going to need a pack of these place card holders with the detachable base. If you cannot find the place card holders, you should be able to find these champagne flutes with a detachable base, and it's the same size and the very same dimensions, so you could use those instead. Now I'm going to be painting mine gold because they only come in silver and clear, so I'm going to be painting them gold. Now I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful tray. If I decide to use additional items or even alternate items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started.